Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo Earth sign. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. This is May monthly love reading. So let's check the message what happened in your connection past Virgo. So what is happening in your connection right now? So we'll see future later. So what happened in your connection past? 9 of Cups, 10 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Right now the Fool, King of Wands, 3 of Swords. I think you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. Definitely in past you are their wish fulfillment. Definitely 9 of Cups is here, but your person in past feeling very burdened due to work or due to this relationship. Something is happening between both of you because you feel very burdened. 10 of Wands, there is there is a long distance relationship. Definitely 3 of Wands, one person is waiting for the other person. Definitely waiting is going in your connection right now, Virgo. Definitely you both live in different cities or different countries or different states, whatever may be. So right now what is going on in your connection? Definitely your person want to take a leap of faith, any new beginning. Right now he want a new beginning with your person. Definitely passion is there, lot of passion is there between both of you, King of Wands. But definitely 3 of Swords, your person maybe have heartbreak, something. 10 of Wands and 3 of Swords. Definitely there is some emotional baggage your person may be carrying. So I want clarification card here for 3 of Swords. Why is here 3 of Swords? Yes, 5 of Swords. Definitely I think 5 of Swords is definitely fighting ending. He is coming out of this pain. I am getting definitely 3 of Swords and 5 of Swords. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Wow, Ace of Cups. Definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Water energy is also here. Page of Cups. Two of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely your person want to offer this Ace of Cups love to you, definitely, and the communication is coming, message and apology is also coming. Definitely right now your person may be at some crossroads, blindfolded. He have to take decision. Already he took decision. He want to come towards you in a brand new beginning and to offer this cup of love to you, Ace of Cups. So let's pull some cards from universe. Definitely he want a new beginning with you. Hierophant, yes. Empress, 6 of Wands, wow, 3 of Pentacles. Definitely he want commitment and he want to marry you and he wants success with you. Definitely you both have to work on this relationship to take this relationship next level. Are you both working on same area? 3 of Pentacles represent definitely the Empress. You stand by your power. Definitely your person want you marry you and success with you. Definitely 6 of Wands. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.